guys, I'm in TjMaxx and I am just picking up a few things, not much. The little one with me. I come for my seasoning. I love this. Let me show you. I love this seasoning. I love it. And the last time I was here, I paid for it and left it. So, and also this is where I get my K-cups. But yeah, I have this in the car. Wait, they have a new one. Smoked paprika, garlic, chili, and chives. I'm not a chives fan, so I don't know. Chicken finger licking. Oh, okay, I might try this. Ulta?
You got too much stuff, man.
How are you?
They got 71, 14.
Which one is that?
It's 71.
Sir says he's gonna sit down and wait for me. Okay, let's go. All right, let's see. Oh, they are ready for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day ready. Okay, let's see. I found my glasses marked down for $10. Y'all know I'm getting it right because I do need a set of 4. So that's gonna be that. Yeah, let's get out of here. Okay, shopping is over. Heading home and do nothing. This has seemed to be the theme thus far for 2025. Do nothing. But yeah, girls. Yeah, I'm on my break. So, and again, I didn't bring my camera. I'm on my phone, so please pardon the footage if it's not so great. Okay, guys, see you back at home. Just received my fresh order from Prime. My initial plan was to go out to the supermarket, but yesterday my knee decided to do something different. Apparently, I put too much pressure on my left leg, which I know I do. I stand on it, I lean on it, like everything is just rested and relaxed on my left side. So I went to get up to walk, My leg, it like buckled. Now, I am a woman of a particular age. I'm 52 years old, right? And I am now in the postmenopausal stage. So I know with menopause and all those things, you can lose bone density, muscle tissue, all those good things. But girls, I need my legs. Like, sis gotta get around. It did something, it was really odd, but it's not my knee. It feels like something is pulling. So I don't know if it's a nerve or something. But order some new vitamins. They're actually coming today, but this was fresh, so you know that's separate. I have organic vitamins because those synthetics is too much stuff. So I ordered BD. What else did I order? BD, magnesium. And I also ordered an organic multivitamin for my youngest daughter because I was reading, like, I had gave her, what is it, one a day for teens? Yes. And I went to reorder, but I decided to look at the other ingredients, full of sugar and things that I can't even pronounce. So I know it really wasn't helpful for her. So yeah, I'm waiting for that to come. I'm hopping around, trying to stay off the leg. But if you know me, you know I'm a busybody. I can't keep still. I need to do something. I don't like my day to just go through without being productive. And I'm honestly going to take it easy. I'm waiting for those vitamins to come so that tomorrow I can get a head start. I already handled my business for this morning. I had a few things and emails to send out. I don't have client consultations until Friday, which is good. And I scheduled everybody on Friday, so that works for me. And yeah, I'm just gonna relax. I am gonna cook today. We're gonna have some curry chicken. I took chicken out and we're gonna have that. But these are just essentials that we need, like fruit, and but I'll show you once I unpack. Got some mint, some blueberries, little green salad, some potatoes, bananas, purple onion, Italian dressing, syrup, sugar. I got a whole chicken. I did get some ribs and a family pack of chicken. Potato tots for my grandkids. Some mini sweet peppers, mozzarella, French toast sticks, chobani, avocado, scallion, got an English cucumber, some Granny Smith apples, and some bacon. So let me go put this away and I'll see you gals in a second.
And then Finish Line just packed up all their stuff so they could get out of there. All the people, like,
Great morning, girls. So I didn't just get in, but last night they came in late. I ordered some new vitamins from Amazon. They are all organic. I have the raw B12, magnesium glycinate. I also have D3 and vitamin C. So I also got these for her. They are organic. And it's the Team Fermented Multivitamin. It's based on fruits and vegetables. You get 60 tablets, 60 capsules in here. And yeah, I'm gonna link all of these below. You guys could do your research if you think it may work for you. I know this is what I'm trying. I will definitely let you know it has a negative effect on my body. I know some vitamins you cannot mix. B vitamins are best taken in the morning on an empty stomach. I've done that. I haven't had any problem, no nausea, no stomach upset at all. I take my B12. Now I started late. It's what time? It's already almost 11. I'll do that and I'll pick you guys back up in a few. How about I just received an email from Amazon stating that they refunded me the money for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The camera was supposed to arrive today by 8 p.m., right? Ordered it January 2nd. They had it on sale for $469. It's the creator kit. And I'm like, okay, let me get this now because I know they're like $700. With taxes and everything, I paid $510.62. We process your refund of $510.62 for your order. The camera's supposed to arrive today. When I ordered, they told me between the 13th and the 15th, the 12th, the 11th and the 15th, something like that. Now I go back on the site to where I purchased. Let me show you. It's when I last purchased, January 2nd. This is the creator kit, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And now look what they want for it. $669. I purchased the protective screen and the disc for it and no camera.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing.
To decide if I want this tree behind me here. I'm even outside looking a hot mess. This is crazy. or because I want one for inside. I'm not sure. It's threshold. $150? Is that crazy? They want $150. I know they crazy. I am never paying $150 for that. This is cute for $25. Looking for a birthday card for my middle daughter. Her birthday is coming up. I hope I find something good. Okay, so I got the cards. It is pouring down, raining. Come, I'm going this way. I went to Best Buy and snagged my camera. So I'm gonna show you guys probably tomorrow or later. Okay, so I guess we're all done here. We're going home. I need to stop at the supermarket and pick up some things. My leg is feeling much better. That's why I'm outside, but I'm not trying to apply so much pressure on it. So see you guys back at home. It's Sunday now. Yesterday when I was out in Target and it was pouring down, raining. Today we're supposed to get snow. It's really ran out to get a couple of things besides my big buy. But let me just show you what I got from Target. I purchased a fruit divider, produce saver container. It was from the dollar section. It was $5. It's 2 compartments. They did have the single square, and it didn't make sense. So I said that instead of purchasing 2 of those that were $5 a piece, I could just get the one. And it holds a fairly good amount in it. So I figured that was a great buy because I actually needed one of those for like my strawberries, blueberries, grapes, or just, you know, other things that I may have. They had these gorgeous glass acai bowls. They are absolutely gorgeous, and it comes with the little gold spoon. Even though I have gold spoons like this, you guys have seen me with these. I have a set of these. These actually came from a coffee set that I have, but I do have 4. They are so nice. I purchased 3. I was looking for 4, but they didn't have another one in this style, so I just ended up getting the 3. My daughter said I should try another Target and maybe I'll come across one, but I thought these were a cool buy, and they were $5 per bowl. You just don't have to use it for acai. You can use it for ice cream, you know, making sundaes or whatever, but yogurt, parfaits, anything. So I thought this was great. That was a great purchase. Now, here is the creme de la creme. This is what I really went out for yesterday, because you know the whole debacle with me ordering it off of Amazon, them refunding my money, the seller actually being a scam, took the original link from the actual DJI store on Amazon, somehow shimmied it to their store in China and sent me some bogus tracking number to track it. Now, I read the comments on it. It happened to a lot of people. So Amazon did remove that seller, Amazon's website. And I just went and ordered them from Best Buy. So here we are with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I know you guys have seen this around. It has become very popular now amongst creators, but I did want this camera in particular to be just more discreet in certain environments when I am out vlogging or just capturing content, videos, what have you. So let's unbox it. I finally just made the purchase after wanting the camera for a year, maybe now, a year and a few months, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad. You do have to purchase your SD card separate, and I did get a screen protector for it, for the lens and the actual viewfinder, so I'm gonna put that on. But first I'm just gonna read and get familiar with it, and prayerfully next video the footage will be coming from this little thing here. If you know anything about me, I am a gadget girl. I love little gadgets, little doodads. And yeah, I'm excited. So I'm gonna go because it is time to start cooking dinner. Like I said, it's Sunday, it's 12:30, and we're just gonna wait for the snow and chill for the rest of the day.